Hello. Today I'd like to talk about how to make a mold, kind of like a injection mold for a transmission bell housing. So I have mocked up a kind of transmission. This is going to be rather simple, but should get the point across. So first you want to start off with your thing that you want to mold. So you can you have your core side and your cavity side. The core side is going to be the movable side with the ejection. All right, so if we want to build this for molding, let's start off with this is Solidworks, of course. And first I'm going to go to mold tools. This is inside of your Solidworks. You can go to tabs and then go to mold tools, make sure that's checked. Okay, so now we can start building this. So let's go with, we want to do party lines. It's looking for anything 3 degrees. And please select the pull direction and push the draft analysis button. So here is my party line. And I want to, that's face 1, 3 degrees, draft analysis, that's fine. Rebuild errors. There we go. So now we did that. It tells me the colors of these. And it's telling me that there's an issue with this wall right here. So we need to fix that. So let me go back here, say okay, and I want to go with shut off surfaces. And it finds that there's a surface right there that needs to be closed up. So I want to say okay on there, and then it closed it up for me. This is just a very thin wall. All right, so now I want to choose parting surfaces, and it chose the parting line now. So in this particular instance, I doesn't like to work when I choose this. Something happens when I go to the tooling split, so I have to go with like normal to surface, and or is it perpendicular? No, it's tangent or something. Let's go normal surface, and then I will do a not that big. Let's say it's 10 millimeters. You see how it's sloped down? That ensures a good seal, you know, on the surface. I'd like to change this to a little bit less than that. There we go, 5 degrees, or you could even try maybe 0. I'm not sure if 0 will even work. Let's see if it takes 0. No, it doesn't like 0. So we need to go with 1, at least, let's say 5. There it goes. So it created my parting surfaces. Now I want to go to tooling split, and it wants me to select a plane or a planar face or an edge, which to sketch a feature. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go back to features, and then I'm sorry, jump through these. I want to go insert a plane. So mesh modeling plane. We're going to put a plane on this top surface right here. So I want to like click this surface right here, and I want to make this 0. All right, so okay. There's my plane. I can pull this out a little bit bigger, and that plane's complete. Okay, so now I want to go to sketch, and I want to sketch a rectangle on this. Okay, not there. Okay, I want to go about right here, and just a little bit bigger than the overall shape. So okay, so I chose that. So now I can finish out of this guy. All right, finish, exit that sketch, or never mind. I'm gonna go to mold tools, tooling split, select my plane or my sketch, this sketch right here. So it automatically starts creating it. So now I will interlock the surface. You'll see what happens when you do that. It combines this box right here with the inside pieces right here. So let's do that. We'll go, yeah, we can go a little bit deeper. Say okay. There we are, created that. So now I can hide some of these bodies. So I have 3 bodies in here. I have the parting line, I have the tooling split, and I have tooling split 2. So let me go in here and hide these guys, hide this guy. And now we can see inside of here. So this would be your core side. You would put your ejection on the back here. It would push through and then be able to push this off properly. Let me show this one. Hide that guy. This is your cavity side, and this is the side that will usually it pull right out of here. So, and if you have any geometry that comes off the side here, that needs to go and that needs to become a slide. So let's open this up. To open that up, I'm going to go to, I want to find my move command, move. I just want to move it, don't copy. Grab this, and I'm going to slide it up. Okay. And I'm going to grab this and take it, slide it down. And that shows you the core end cavity. We can hide that. Just to clean up that move a little bit closer. Let's change color. Hopefully this video was beneficial and taught you a little bit about molding and the proper way to set up your model and use the mold tools in SolidWorks. Thanks, bye.